Hey guys, it is Greg again. I'm here with a video update on a new coin that a user showed me in the comment section. And man, there is a lot of coins out there, just stuff out there I had no idea it existed. And this is one. Aleph Zero is a coin. It's a new coin. And I had to dig a little bit deeper on this coin because they're just I guess you could say, looking at the chart real quick, there wasn't much data. And when it started trading here just in January, and you know, I'll say this: it has limited data on it. I've gone over here's the chart, and it has limited data. It's corrective. It's not showing me anything to make any type of decision on this coin that except it's just going to be wandering around in those areas for a time being. But I went to the website. These are some of the investors in Aleph Zero here, and I navigated them. I don't know all the names of these investors. I mean, it could be just like maybe one guy threw maybe $500 in there for all I know and came up with this a name like Node Capital, and he has like a one-page website and he put $500 into it. I mean, I really don't know. I mean, it looks like there's a lot, but it's like finding out about any of you know, these companies is very difficult to do, man. But not to say it's positive. You can look at it from a positive and say, well, look at all the investors. Well, maybe they all put $25 in. I mean, that's all it's going to take to throw it up on the web page. Don't know. But I did dig through some of these other investors. Like I clicked on Black Dragon, and it brought me over to here. Said there's around since 2017, which is good. It's got a little bit of history and what they've previously invested in. So some pretty decent stuff, some stuff I haven't heard of. And so like they had on their list, let me see, where were some other, I thought I saw Chainlink somewhere in here. Well, they got Aleph Zero right there. I'm assuming that's like, your return or what you made on your investment. So like some of these, like here, they already made their money in it as an early investor. Thor Wallet, Thor Swap, these other names in here. What were some other ones that I saw? I'm trying to look at, I thought I saw, yeah, like Chainlink, Near Protocol, Thor Chain, were some early ones. So I mean, to me, that's a good sign that that they did it. But there's probably some other ones in there that they did invest in that maybe didn't do so well, or who knows right now. Like this thing, Leprechaun, they made their 6x, but maybe you go back and check it, and Leprechaun doesn't exist anymore. It's not doing very well. So their Twitter page has a lot of followers, 75,000 followers. Just a second, 75,000 followers here, and which is good. And they have a lot of people on their team. So, I mean, looking from the outside in, it looks okay. It's looking like it's going to become some type of layer one blockchain that's fast, like Solana. I think I saw in their paperwork like 60,000 transactions per second, get up to 100,000 transactions per second, which would be, like a Solana. I think Solana is only one that fast right now. So that's a good sign. Other than that, without like, all I'd say is this is going into something like this is very speculative. You're going in early. So you want to be careful. Now, going over the technicals, the technicals don't tell me much of anything. I could tell you it's just all corrective waves. I checked it out. Let me go here to the daily chart. And there's nothing there. This move here is just your classic ABC move up, if you will, right here. So this is just like a move up, came down for a B, and it went up for a C, and now it's doing this move here, which is probably some type of another three-way move of some sort, probably something like that. And then it could be doing like here's a three-way move, possibly like that. And so a three-way move there, and now it's probably stuck maybe in some type of maybe a WXY. It's hard to say, guys. Or, the whole bigger picture is maybe it's in a WX and then it's going to be going up for a Y. That's the problem, is taking a chart this early and just not knowing where it's going to go. All you can do is it'd be very, very difficult to time something like this, folks. It really, really would. All you can do is just basically maybe watch it or make a speculative play. And my recommendation is, if you go into this coin, only put in what you're willing to lose. Because as you probably know, in the cryptocurrency market, a coin like this can easily just go to zero, even though on the, looking from the outside in and looking at everything, it does look pretty decent. So, I mean, you can't even get any targets off this. A guy had mentioned that, some people are saying it's going to be the next Solana or Avax. They don't know. Nobody knows. I went to a YouTube video, watched a guy about this asset and on Aleph Zero, and it was, basically he says, I believe Aleph Zero is going to be the next Avax. The market doesn't care about your belief. The market does not care about your belief. The market will determine if this is the next Solana or Avax. And there's a lot of other coins that are out there that a lot of people said the same thing, and they didn't become the next Solana or Avax. So all I can say is that it looks decent. I would just be careful. I did notice in some of the paperwork, there was, if you went through some of their white papers, they have various white papers. There was a lot of grammatical errors, so it was put together real quick. So that's a, you could say that, oh, that's a red flag, because you look at their team here, you got supposedly doctors or PhDs and well, they're PhDs in mathematics, I think. If you click on these, he has they're all PhDs in mathematics. So this guy right here, but maybe their English isn't too good, or it's a second language or something like that. So that's a little bit concerned. So you could keep digging deeper in this and find positive things about it and find negative things about it. It's just a very speculative play, guys. And that's all I can say about that, is that, at this point, all you can do is hope. I would actually, in my opinion, I wouldn't even mess with it until the other markets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, other markets start turning more positive and they're more bullish. They finish up their correction. And at this point, a coin like Aleph Zero probably will do a moonshot out of there and go up to like $5, $10, maybe $20. And if the market decides that they really like this and it is a fast chain like Solana, maybe it will become the next Solana. It's all speculative play. Thanks for watching. Peace.